This is Ranger Kidwell Ross, editor of WorldSweeper.com, director of the World Sweeping Association. We're at the 2016 Civenex in the Hawkesbury, which is a suburb of Sydney, Australia. And we're here today talking to Wayne Hogan. And Wayne is the sales associate with Bucher. And so talk to him about this sweeper.
What we've got here is the Johnson RT655, mounted on an Isuzu cab chassis. The RT655 is powered by a John Deere turbo intercooled engine, electronically controlled. The machine itself has 900 litres of water, one single fuel tank covering 200 litres, which does both the truck engine and the auxiliary engine, the John Deere. We've got 1 metre diameter channel brushes, variable position in and out and variable tilt in and out of the curb.
Are those relieving as well?
Yes,
Okay.
Yep, they are. So if you bump them, they'll fold back in.
All right.
2.5 metre suction hood underneath, full width suction. Leaf flap at the front to let the bulkier items in from the left hand side for our conditions. 14-inch.
You can get a lot up that tube, that's for sure.
That's for sure. You'll notice we've got twin body lift cylinders for stability.
Yeah, and how big is that hopper?
Hopper is 6 cubic metres. It's the voided volume.
And how about the fan? What can you tell us about that?
So it's a paddle type fan, dynamically balanced, self-cleaning blades. Automatically deploying safety prop
Great idea.
with auto retract function for lowering the body. Body's manufactured out of Nyrosta stainless steel, so longevity,
You bet.
corrosion resistant.
If they keep care of it, they should be able to put it on a different chassis someday.
That's correct. Twin side access doors,
All right.
inspector load, screen shaker function. Shakes the screens to
So
discharge
go
the
in here.
leaves up
We
there.
may well not be able to see anything in here, but we'll take a look.
Rear spill tray.
Nice. That's a nice feature, huh? Looks like you have a toolbox here. It's not going through, but you can put all manner of things there besides your lunch.
That's right, you carry your spill kits, your safety triangles.
We have
They're your dewatering hoses for rainy conditions.
you bet.
Twin beacons at the rear with an LED arrow bar.
That's just the 101, isn't it? No, the 201. That's the one.
And is this a camera
Yep, that's
in the back?
rear vision camera.
All right. Very nice.
So LED lights as a standard. Tail lights, work lights, beacons. It's our high pressure water system. Runs at about 1450 psi. There's a hose reel and a hand lance that accompanies that. We also have some high pressure jets within the full width suction hood.
This is outfitted with twin curb rooms. Is that standard?
That is the standard feature. So again, variable position in and out, variable weight on the ground. This is other side of our 900 litre water tank. Our low pressure water system is hydraulically driven. The benefit of the hydraulically driven water pump is we get consistent water pressure irrespective of the RPM of the back motor. Traditional Hardy pump. We also have an electric emergency discharge system, so if the back motor won't run, this system here will power up the hydraulics to raise the body to give us access.
You bet. And when you don't need it often, but when you need it, you're just so glad you have it.
That's correct.
What's the fan composed of? What, do you know what type of metal, and does it employ a liner, fan liner?
There's no liner on it.
No liner needed. Okay. And is it do you know what kind of metal, or may not matter? Some people call out the type. Let's take a look in the cab and see what your controls look like.
Yep, so we'll go around the other side.
So we have another camera here on this side.
For the right hand side channel brush.
All right.
Should bring it around the other side.
All right.
We'll give it a view. This is the control center. Can be operated from the left or the right hand side. You've got an armrest control here for your sweeper functions. This joystick operates the broom in and out and adjusts your tilt in and out of the curb. This little green button here picks up all of your gear, so if you need to stop sweeping and transit somewhere and then commence sweeping again, this will pick up your gear. You press the button, all of your gear will drop back down.
Nice. One button.
Untouch operation.
Most operators can remember that.
Most of them can.
And this is your camera view.
Yep, that's the rear vision and channel brush camera. Can be split into 2 to 4 screens,
All right.
depending on the amount of cameras.
Comfortable chassis. You get a lot of viewing area out of here. Look out the front. There's sweepers everywhere. That's right. When you look around here.
This is a factory dual control from Isuzu, cross shaft with adjustable steering wheels.
All right. Well, very nice. It's there's a reason that there's such a market share owned by this company. That's for sure. Is there anything else we should know about the machine?
I think we've covered it off pretty generally there.
All right. If somebody wanted to get hold of y'all here in Australia, how would that happen?
You could go to www.Bucher, B-U-C-H-E-R, municipal, municipal.com.au.
All right. Fair enough. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Appreciate it, Wayne.